Example problem 12 reads, calculate the wavelength of a 1.5 hertz sound wave in air. And then it refers you to table 9.1. So it wants to know the wavelength, which is this variable right here. So to calculate the wavelength, we need the speed of sound and we need a frequency. So we're told a frequency, so frequency equals 1.5 hertz. And if you go to table 9.1, you can see that the speed of sound in air, remember the medium is important, the speed of sound in air is 343 meters per second. So CS is 343 meters per second divided by 1.5 hertz from the problem, and that will give us a wavelength of 228.66 meters, and that is the wavelength. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 12.